Hi kids, welcome back once again. So today I am here again with chapter number 24, and the name of the chapter is Conjunctions in English Grammar. What is conjunctions? So first of all, I will define you Conjunctions are words that join two words or group of words, like Anmol, Anubhav are friends, but we have to say Anmol and Anubhav are friends. Now look here, conjunctions are words that join two words or group of words. So here Anmol and Anubhav are two words and join two words, Anmol and Anubhav. Have you come by bus or on foot? So we use or to show a choice between two or more options. So have you come by bus or on foot? So here is a choice, by bus or on foot. Let's wait till he comes. Let's wait till he comes. So the third sentence, let's wait till he comes, contains the conjunctions till. It joins the word groups let's wait and he comes. Now Anmol and Anubhav are friends. So we use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. So further examples, he is ill but cheerful. He is ill but cheerful. So we use but to show a different or an opposite idea. Would you like tea or coffee? So here we have a choice, tea or coffee. He was late for school because he missed his bus. He missed his bus. So here he missed his bus, so he was late for school. Here is giving any reason. Here is giving the reason. She will come if you invite her. She will come if you invite her. I will post the letter when I go out. I will post the letter when I go out. Here is a list of some common conjunctions. And, or, but, yet, therefore, so, that, because, though, as, before, after, when, while, till, until and if. So, conjunctions, conjunctions are words that join two words or group of words. For example, and, but, so, and, but, so, or, because, etc. So, next is like, first of all look here, underline the conjunctions in these sentences. Ruchika was absent because she was unwell. So, there is a reason. Ruchika was absent because she was unwell. So, here is because. Tia and Riya are sisters. So, two words are joining here. Tia, Riya. So, Tia and Riya are sisters. Cotton is white. If I say cotton is white, cotton is soft. But cotton is white and soft. This jug is empty, but that is full. This jug is empty, but that is full. Empty, full. So, but we use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. So, empty, full. Mona could not complete the work because she was lazy. You can go to the circus or watch the magic show. You can go to the circus or watch the magic show. So, or. Here is a choice. The tortoise was slow but steady. So, slow and steady, both are opposites. This tortoise was slow but steady. But is uncorrect. I went to the market. If I say I went to the market, I bought 2 pencils. I went to the market and bought 2 pencils. Join these sentences with the joining word and. Nidhi works hard. She performs well in school. So, you can write here Nidhi works hard and need not to write she, and performs, because we are talking about Nidhi, performs well in the school or in school. Next is Veena learns music. She is a good singer. Veena learns music. So, Veena learns music and is a good singer. The baby is happy, he is playing. So, the baby is happy and is playing. She loves books, she reads every day. She loves books and reads every day. Mona has a pen, Sona has a pencil box. So, Mona has a pen and Sona has a pencil box. Now next is join the following sentences with the help of the joining word but. We went to meet Jatin. He was not at home. So we went to meet Jatin. So here but he was not at home. Next is fire broke out at the fair. Everyone was safe. So fire broke out at the fair, but everyone was safe. Maya went to the market. The shops were closed. Maya went to the market, but the shops were closed. Sarika came last in the race. She is not sad. So Sarika came last in the race, but she is not sad. Ruhi is short, Tina is tall. So Ruhi is short, but Tina is tall. Okay. Now rest of the work we will do in next class. So now I will be sending the assignment and you have to complete it. So take care and goodbye. We will meet you very soon. And wait, you have to complete that work only in book, not in your notebook. Okay, I will not be sending you any assignment.